Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto Z, and today I will show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, open up the content that you wish to capture, which as an example I'm going to use the home screen itself. And once you have it open, all you really need to do is hold power key and volume down, both of those keys at the same time. So let's do that right now. You will get this animation of a flash and minimization, and also in notifications you can see screenshot captured, and the image itself can be found in your photo gallery. So let's stop on that, disregard this, keep off, and there we go. So you have screenshots, tap on it, and there is the image itself that I have captured. So that is how you would capture a screenshot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.